Hello everyone, we are going to see how to make corn masala at home. First, light the stove and place a kadai on it. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Then add 1 chopped onion and stir it well. Now add half a chopped tomato and 1 chopped chili. Stir everything nicely and cook for a few seconds. Next, add the boiled corn and mix it well with the masala. After that, add salt and pepper. Add some chopped onion leaves and stir it lightly. Now plate the corn masala. And that's it. Our delicious corn masala is ready to eat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next recipe. This is Cooking with Pravin Raja.